Forex is one of the largest financial markets globally. What is known as the largest financial market globally? Forex trading for beginners has officially started now. Understanding the power of global currency. Forex trading is exchanging currencies in the market, buying and selling different global currencies. A huge global market with many opportunities. Trillions are traded daily in global markets. Currencies are always traded in pairs for exchange. Common trading pairs in Forex include the EUR and USD. Traders make profit by predicting movements. Will the price go up or will it go down instead? Successful traders prioritize proper risk management. It is essential to always use a stop-loss order. Protect your capital from market volatility. Discipline is truly the key to achieving success. Are you fully prepared and ready to start trading? Open your account with XtremeMarkets today. Begin your trading journey today without delay. Your partner in global Forex.